This blanket is going to be a double border. So I've gone ahead and I've made the first border. I would like to show you how I transition from the first border with a different color to the next border that I'm going to be doing. So this is where I start from. This is the last braid of this side, and so I am going to pass my yarn to the back and pass it under like so, like I've been doing. But the interesting part is that I'm not going to pass this across here, because guess what, if I do that and I go to the next color, this white color is going to start from here, but I do not want that. So what do I do for that seamless transition? I'll cut right at the end of the second loop and attach my new color there. There you go. I'll bring this out, get it ready to fuse with the new color. My new color is a thicker size yarn, but it will work, and that's what I'm going to do next. I've gone ahead to level up the end of it, and I'm going to fuse the two of them together right here. There you go. Fuse it right in. Watch out for your hands. Press them together like so. Rub that together. Protest. Now I'm going to transition. So this was where we started our first color from. So now for us to start the new color, I'll pass my yarn again through the last braid of the previous one up to that way, and then the new color is what transitions and come right here. I'll do my first braid like I always do to start my border for the height, and then I'll go ahead and pick my first braid on this side like so, which is where I started my border from. I'll pick up that braid, pass my loop, and adjust this so it's not sloppy. 2 fingers, good. Pass it right underneath and carry on with my border like so. Adjust if you need to on the side, and I'll do a couple of loops and show you what it will look like. I have videos on how I add borders, so I'm not going to bother myself explaining what I'm doing right now. But if you're interested, please check the comment and you will find the video link to a detailed videos on how I add my border. The focus of this video is to show you how I transition from one color to the other in a double bordered blanket. So this is what I'm having right now after a couple of rows. What do you think? You see how we transition? So just my personal preference, it looks perfectly all right now, but I want the transition to have like white, the cream color right here. So this is what I will do. This is my tail from when I started. I'll pass it right back to the front like so, and then I'll pass it through here to cover up, to camouflage that sage and make it look even more cleaner in transition. What do you think now? Just that one touch, that little tweak that I did right there is now making it look much more cleaner transition, much more professional looking. Will you be trying this out? Do you like what you see? Let me know in the comment section. For me, this is really pretty and it transitions very well like so. I'll go ahead and finish up my border.